So for today, nasa Hong Kong kami ngayon. Kakagising lang ng Chris. Kanina kami dumating. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog kanina kasi lobat ako. Kasama namin yung family ni Chris. Tapos, diretso na lang kami ng London to Cayman Islands sa Monday. Today pala is October 24. Maghanap ako ng medyas kasi lalabas kami. Bibili ako sapatos kasi wala akong sapatos pang duty. Hello! Hello! Hi! Hello na sa vlog! Hi vlog!
Hi vlog! From Malaysia.
From Malaysia.
Kamchang.
Malagaw kita ma-shopping, ikaw bay? Shopping si Siyang Siyang.
Ano ba?
Ano bay mo shopping? Ha? Ano mo shopping? So, I have decided, hindi na ako mag-shoes kasi mag-fit ako mamaya ng shoes. Mahirap maghubad-hubad ng shoes. Nag-slippers na lang ako with socks. Yun. Hayaan mo na. Kami-kami lang naman dito. Hindi naman nila kami kilala. Bye-bye na, Dong. Iwan ka dito, Dong. Bye. Antok na, antok pa. Maaga pa kasi kami kanina na gising eh. Let's go! Time check, 6:30 pa lang. Sabi sobrang daming tao pala dito. Pero masarap maglakad kasi malamig yung yung panahon. May pasaway din palang driver dito. Sa pedestrian lane nag-stop. Ay, sorry. Hello to siya, oh. Eh, sa Gio ako nakabili. Nabili ako ng jacket ni Chris. Kasi wala siyang jacket. Actually, meron siyang jacket pero iniwan namin sa Pilipinas kasi na baka ma-over baggage kami. Kaya yung jacket na gagamitin niya dapat yung jacket ko kasi malaki. Sabi ko, kaya binilang ko na lang siya para yun na lang gamitin ko papuntang London. Kasi malamig daw ngayon doon. Wala kaming magamit. Tapos ngayon, dadaan kami ng Nike. Sana makita namin ulit. Kanina kasi nung pauwi, galing kami ng airport, papuntang, tawag dito, hotel. May nakita kaming Nike doon sa highway. Kaya sana madaanan namin, makapatingin-tingin. Kakatapos lang namin kumain, busog. Ngayon pupunta kami ng Mongkok, sasakay kami ng train. Dito kami sa Chui Station. Doon pababa. Meron daw, doon na, night market hanggang 11 PM. So baka makahanap ako ng shoes doon. Baka ito yun, single journey ticket. Insert bang? Paano to mag-change ng please collect? Dito. Okay. Papunta tayo ng Mongkok. One single journey tickets. Okay. Good luck. Hindi ko sure kung magkano yung lalagay ko dito. Okay. Baliktad. Tayo niyang kainin. Dali lang. Din kita, hindi ko ma-figure out.
Fine, ito.
Na-figure out ko na. Ay, $6 lang pala na yun.
$6 lang.
Yeah, smaller bill.
Ano lang.
Yung 20. Ay, sorry. Adult. Okay. Adult. And then, we insert the bill. Okay. Collect tickets. Nandito. One more. Click ulit Mongkok. $6. Ilan to? 10. Ito 10. Ay, adult. Isang adult. Then, insert. Ay, binalik. Ano ba to? $10 man to ah. Tayo mo tanggapin to.
Bali, dalawa ka card.
Ayun. Oh, isa na lang. 18 lahat eh. 2, 4, 2, 4, 6. Tama. One more. Mongkok. Adult. 1, 2, 3.
Kasi yulo.
Ay, 8. Sobra yung nilagay ko pala. Sulit niya isa. Yan. There you go. Figure out din. Saan tayo sasakay? 1, 2, pangatlong station. Ito na ba yun? Ito ba yun? Or dito? Tingnan natin. We'll figure it out. Meron dito. Saan kaya dito yung mga bilihan ng mga murang-murang damit? Sabi kasi ng Pilipina dun sa sa restaurant kasi yung kinainan namin kanina ang dinner. Dito daw sa Mongkok merong night market. Mura lang daw yung mga damit dito. Kaya pinuntahan namin. So ang tanong kung saan dito. Ay grabe. Tagal namin naghanap. Ito lang nakita namin. Meron actually dito mas malaking store. Kaya lang, parang malayo ka. Ito na lang ako. Ay, nakikili ah. Ito pala oh. Ay, naku. Hindi ko maintindihan yung mapa. Hanap ako ng shoes na pang duty sa hospital. Wala nang iba. Yun na yun? Ano yung shoes? Hindi ko alam. Pero wala akong nagustuhan. Ito kaya? Maganda kaya ito pang duty. Parang ang bulky. Naka-sale. Kano ito? Ito, New Balance. Maganda din ang New Balance eh. New Balance. Ito, may hoka sila. Bakit ang mahal? Talagang mura. Magkano naman? Ganda nito, 1,000 to 7,000. Hirap pumili. Laki ng sale niya, oh, half price. Ito maganda, parang maganda to. 599. Special price, 600. Okay pa sila ng price. Ang gusto ko to. Blue kasi yung uniform namin. Pero hindi siya duwing. Hindi siya yung tela na ano kaya ako? Nakabili rin ako ng shoes. Sa Skechers ako na napunta kasi nagmamadali sila, nagko-close na sila. Dami sanang pipilian. Ayun na, may mga Asics. Madami pa talagang stores. May Adidas. Ang daming choices. Kaya lang, magko-close na sila eh. Bumili na lang ako kasi para may magamit ako sa Disneyland bukas. Dito kami ngayon sa ano, parang divisoria nila. Sana may makita kami magandang damit. Yeah, gusto niyo ano? Parang divisoria nga talaga. Ayun o. Mga souvenirs. Ang cute o. Grabe. Souvenir.
Oh, this one na.
Ay, mga cute. Dinala sa airport yung, dinala sa Hong Kong yung pagkakuripot namin eh. Ang ganda ng tela, promise. Hindi sa kagaya sa Pilipinas na ano. Cotton siya. Hindi siya yung spandex na mainit. Ang cute niya, no? Ayan, ang cute. Magko-close na sila. Ganda sana may mga kainan sana doon sa loob. Ano kasi, kulang sa oras. Niya tara, bakal ka. Sayang. Wala, ang ganda oh. Pauwi na kami. Andyan na yung train station. Kabago. At least nabili ko yung bibili ko today. Good morning! Today is October 25. Time check parang at ano na, 10 a.m. na. Papunta kami ng Harbor City. Muna lang kami kakain tapos diretso na kami ng Disneyland. Masarap ang panahon. Maaraw pero malamig. Masarap na. Punta kami ng Harbor City. Say hello.
Hello, hello, how are you? Where go, where go? Sini ko.
Doon.
Ha?
Nagilukuan kang bus.
Okay.
Ano na yun tayo? Ano ba baba tayo dadaan?
Oo. Taktagtas lalo.
Ano?
Hindi. Museum. Subway. Sarap. Nahanap din namin ang Harbor City. Walking distance lang siya from hotel namin. Mga 10 to 15 minutes. Ano siya? Grabe, ang init! Pero malamig yung simoy ng hangin.
Oh shit! Hintay?
Pa-picture dali! Picture! 360.
Arabica coffee. Coffee?
Kakatapos na namin kumain. Papunta na kami ng Disneyland. Time check. Anong oras na? 12:11. Magko-commute lang kami. Sasakay kami na train. Nagkulang yung ticket namin kaya nagbayad kami ulit. Ang init! Ay, naku! Nakaka-haggard naman dito sa Disneyland. Pag pumunta kayo dito, magdala kayo ng payong, sombrero, ay nako. Saka sunscreen.
Ito talaga yung lugar na ayaw.
Siya, picture siya. Ako.
Hello! The Hot Wheels track is on sale. RC.
I think they have reached in for a specimen of manhood on ass.
I know it's time for you to raise your torches. Everyone!
Time check, it's 5:10 p.m. Pumipila kami sa cruise. Haba ng ila. Sobrang haba. Hanggang doon. 5:22 na. Mga 10 minutes, more than 10 minutes pa lang yung pila natin. Dahil malapit na kami sa cruise. Konti na lang kasi nakaseparate yung mga Chinese saka yung kung gusto mo na English. Ito binibigay. By the way, yung mga sinasakyan namin dito, puro mga free naman siya. Tsagaan mo lang talaga siyang pilahin kasi sobrang siguro yung pila dito approximately mga 30 minutes. 30 to 45 minutes kasi mabilis. Madami naman kasi silang mga madaming ano tawag dun? Rides. Kaya konti lang yung
Okay, so on behalf of the Shuttle Navigation Company, welcome to the World Famous Shuttle for Cruise. I'm your skipper today. My name is Elsia. Hello, everybody. Hello. Hello. So before we start our journey, that's some kind reminders. Please remain seated through the whole journey. Keep your hands in arms inside the boat and please supervise your children, okay? So let's go. And let's take a look on your left hand side now. Wow, look at that, only grass. Okay, let's look at your right hand side now. On our right hand side is the Thai Country House. I'm so sorry. Thai journey goes to honeymoon and they'll be back after a very, very long time. We don't know when. We need to wait them come home. Let's take the route on the left hand side. Just remember, don't sleep because there are many, many crocodiles waiting for you. Okay, so we are now having a ride from the world longest river. It lasts for 4,000 miles. Don't worry, you're not shortcut. We can go back home after 5 because the day ends 10 romantic nights. So let's take a look on your left hand side now. Here's the mother elephant and the baby elephant here. Hello. Mother elephant, here's your baby elephant. How do you say shirt? Oh, look at your right hand side now. On the right hand side is the brother elephant. Wow, he's having a shower right now. So many wrinkles on his body. He's been having for a very, very long time. Oh no, over here is the father elephant. Be careful, he's very naughty. Oh, he's coming out, say no, be careful. Somebody is just joking. That's right, nobody's here for it. Uh-oh, but our way has been brought by the father elephant and we are lost now. Oh no, the elephant sounds, you see that? Yeah, they're the boats. Backside, well, because spiders. Be careful, don't let them bite you, otherwise you'll become a Spider-Man tonight. Oh, woman on the right too, be careful. Spider-Man, Spider-Man. Ooh, over here is the Ganesha's temple, the elephant god. Just next to him is the king cobra, three guardians. Oh no, there's one more king cobra on your left hand side. So let's hold still and hold up your body. Somebody did not notice it. Oh no, but we are not almost in there. Look at them. Look at their big mouth. Seems that they're starving right now. So please keep your hands and arms inside our boat. Because we call them crocodiles, but they call us dinner. So let's move back, baby, before we jump on that mountain. Over here is the famous scientist campsite. One of them called Dr. Beta is a bird expert and my best friend. Oh, living up the Florida campsite right now. Oh no, look at them, they're so naughty. What a mess here. So guys, remember to close your doors when you go out. Otherwise, your home will become like this. So sad. Okay, so let's get closer and see what they are doing, okay? Oh, I want to be the middle one. Look at him. He's so chill. The chill guy over there. Oh, look at them. They're pretending to be a human. Oh, that's funny. Oh, be careful. The gorilla is holding a gun. Be careful, guys. Ooh, don't shoot us. Be careful. Wow, guys. Look. We're now around the beautiful Africa now. There's so many animals here. Okay, let me ask you a question. Do you know how to define a female zebra or male zebra? No, it's okay. So let's go to the middle one. If you think it's a boy, raise up your hand. If you think it's a boy. Okay. So if you think it's a girl, raise up your hand. Okay. The answer is? I don't know. Just kidding. Okay, but guys, look at these elephants. They're the most feared animal in this jungle. They're the African elephants. Whoa, that scares me. Yeah, this one is the mother-in-law. Be careful, guys. Oh, calm down, my friend. Okay, don't be mad. Okay, guys, let's look at the water surface now. Can you see that? They're hippos. Wow, they're so huge. But since they're tired right now, so they stay under the water to take in some breath. Oh, be careful with the left. So scary. Remember to brush your teeth, okay? Oh no, look at these scientists people. They're the famous scientists I just mentioned, the Rufus Keeper. The guy at the top is Dr. Beta. too busy right now. I'm so sorry, I don't have any seats for them too. So just say goodbye to them. Bye! Sorry guys, no seats for you. Go and take care. I love you. Bye-bye! Wow, look at that. So many skeletons here. It means we've entered the pet hunter's business now. But as I know, they're usually not at home. Just in case they're still here. Let's be quiet. Otherwise we'll become a skeleton like them. Than the passengers last night. Shh, quiet. Oh no, they
Akala ko totoo.
If you lost your hand, I can't help you because I'm just a skipper, I'm not a doctor, okay? So we'll soon be back to the dock. Thank you so much for having a adventure with me. I can't do this without you guys. So let's go on together and remember to get some food and drinks, okay? Oh no, what's happening? What's happening together? Oh no, where are we now? Let me try to get here. Oh no, it's still working! Oh guys, look! There's no way to go! Come on, way to the back! Come on, hurry up, come on! Oh no, there's no way to go back! So we've been trapped here! What's happening? Oh no, I'm fighting now! I'm so sorry! I'm so sorry! Oh, we are finally safe now! Well done, everyone! Yay! It was a super good job! Oh, do you hear some sound? Let's get ready and look at what inside. Do you see that? Wow, it's the baby elephant we saw a few days ago. So it's time to say goodbye to him now. Bye bye, nice to meet you. Okay, so before I go back, please remain seated and keep your hands and arms inside full please. Thank you so much. By your hands, by your arms, thank you. By your elbow, thank you so much. Okay, so for the last question, do you guys have fun? Yeah! That's great. So if you're having fun, please remember my name. I'm the skipper today. My name is Althea. If you do not, don't worry. Give me a few more minutes and you can leave me forever.
Pila, ang haba ng pila. Grabe, 30 minutes na kami nakatayo. Ang tagal ng pila. Saka matagal pa sila kumuha ng orders. Hindi pa kami nangangalahati, 30 minutes na. Tama-tama lang siguro paglalabas namin dito tapos kami kumain sa 7 PM na yung yung fireworks nila 8 PM sa oras na hintay namin. Tapos uwi na kami. After 1 hour, nakakuha din ng order. Gala-gala muna kami habang naghihintay ng fireworks. Dito kami banda sa ayan o. Daming lights. Hello. Punta kami ng Mickey Mouse. So yun o. Dali na. Good morning! Papunta kami ngayon sa Star Ferry Boat. Pupunta kami ng Peak Tram. So, suggest ng tita ko. Dito kasi siya sa Hong Kong. Sakay na lang kami ng ferry papuntang Central para ma-experience namin yung ferry. So, sobrang init. Time check, it's 11
Thank you very much. Thank you.
October 26. Last full day namin ngayon. Actually, nila pala kasi bukas flight nila papalik ng Pilipinas. 7 a.m. yung flight nila. Kami, diretsyo na kami sa London. Mga connecting flight kami ng papuntang Cayman. 10 p.m. pa yung flight namin. So, meron pa kami full day bukas para kumain. Medyo mainit. Sobrang init. Actually, daming turista.